So I've also been asked about the improvements or how we have worked differently from before in the last couple of years. And just mentioning there, I can say the bold ambition we have now is to lead the change towards a fair and equal and renewable and circular fashion industry. And before, we had being at the forefront, we've had balance, people and planet. So it was more taking a little bit of a step back and see what others do. Now we have, this is what we're going to do. We are going to be the leaders. So it's definitely an ambition to live up to, and it really sets the mark for how to proceed. And two really important goals that we've accomplished is, for example, within our Fair Living Wage strategy, where we had our Fair Living Wage Summit in December in Cambodia that summarized the past 5 years of our work, and we see that all the factories where we have implemented the Fair Living Wage program have a higher wage, take-home wage, than the ones that are not part of this program. So that has been a very distinct goal that we reached. And of course, these are continuous processes, so important to say they're never ending, so to speak. It's always about the improvement and going beyond and finding that progress. The second example is a really interesting project we've had, or have actually, but that we've started with Danone Aqua in Indonesia, where it's a business-to-business model where we gather PET bottles from the shores of Indonesia and we turn it into fabric. So that is a fantastic, innovative way of working, not just in terms of the partnership between two businesses, but also that the government came on board and was part of the memorandum of understanding that was signed. So that is something we're really working on to clear the ocean plastic waste that we see so much of, and that is a huge problem in the world today.